Okay, so this is gonna be a little rant about scripts. So I just gave it a try, right? Like I made the script in the morning. Took me a while just to review it. Like I'm a really perfectionist, so I was like reading it a few times, seeing if it sounds right. I was putting a stopwatch to see like how long this would be like, so I just practiced the script and see how it is. And then it came to video recording and stuff like that. So I got some sort of teleprompter, right, where like the text will move and like I talk at the same time while it moves, and then it just makes me look like I'm looking at the camera the whole time and stuff like that. And well, when I was doing it, like it didn't feel natural at all. It didn't sound like me. Like I wrote it all, but it didn't sound like me. It didn't hit the same way as these videos do. Like I'm using solely body language right now, for example, and it's so robotic, and it's missing that personality thing where I mentioned it in like my execution video, which should be uploaded now. But I mentioned like how I want my personality to be some sort of brand because that's what I represent. My character is what I built, and it's what I represent in front of people, interviewers, the internet now. So I don't know how people do scripts and be themselves. I mean, some like it could be some sort of facade because if they're doing it from the beginning, then I guess they're kind of used to it. But for me to just switch to it and then try it, it wasn't working. But I might do other ways of doing scripts, like maybe doing on computer screen, like bullet points and stuff like that, so I can kind of have a bit more structure. Because currently I'm not doing that. I'm just click and record and saying whatever, and that's apparently working for me in some ways. But I need to be able to kind of extend, have like a heavy discussion because all my videos are kind of small half of the time, except for the one video is like how to move on or something like that. But I want to have one where it's like I'm really deep into everything, like my backstory, giving examples about everything. It's like having putting myself in perspectives of ways where I'm like my younger self, then explaining the story and then going back to the growth on what how I went from there to here. Not sure if I'm making sense, but this is a random scripts. So yeah, I'm not sure if I ever gonna do scripts again, but if I ever do, I'm gonna use it to structure my videos. And yeah, thank you very much.